past few months have seen a lot of change in the industry, and this is because of ChatGPT. In this video, I'd like us to talk about the future of work and how AI is impacting the job market and some jobs that are going to be replaced by AI, either wholly or partly by AI. Welcome to this video. My name is David, and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So ChatGPT has just gone viral. Everybody is using it, from TV hosts to everybody. But what has it done? It has changed the ecosystem. You can write articles super fast using it, and you can actually ask it questions. But this comes at a cost to people who depend on side jobs to make money. So here's some few jobs that are going to be replaced by AI. And number one on the list, and I actually asked just ChatGPT to tell me what jobs will be replaced by AI and why can AI do it better, or why is it going to be done better by AI? So number one is telemarketing. AI can make automated calls, provide specialized greetings, and respond to basic questions. So that's almost obvious. It's already being used by some companies to automatically call people, robocalls and all that, get them into a system where they can actually make a sale for such things. So telemarketing, if you're in that, try and adjust, get something new, or do it a little bit better. Number two, data entry. Data entry, obviously, AI can process large amounts of data accurately and efficiently without the need for breaks. Data entry jobs are usually outsourced to freelancers all over the world. But what happens is that you may notice that AI can do it better. Why not? I think that will make more sense. Next up, we've got bookkeeping. AI can keep track of financial records, reconcile accounts, and generate reports. Bookkeeping, more or less, keeping up with the financial records is probably a tedious task that needs a lot of analysis and whatnot. But if AI can do it, then if you're a bookkeeper, probably should start looking for something else. Number four is customer service. And what can AI do? AI can handle simple queries, provide information, and resolve basic issues. So what happens with customer service is that you may need probably a human and AI to complement each other. So probably if you are into customer service, just find out what you can do a little bit better. One of the jobs that is actually going to be replaced is transcription. Now, not entirely, but a good part. In a couple of years, we've seen AI take over almost everything. One of the best free subtitling applications, Subtitle Edit, is now embracing OpenAI's Whisper to automatically transcribe a ton of content super fast. That's why I'm saying AI can transcribe audio and video files quickly and accurately. So if you're looking for speed, accuracy, especially for people with clear, like a good English speaking audio, that is almost done by AI 100%, including all the punctuations. And sometimes, or the applications are actually free, and you can actually even see them being embedded on your phone. For example, in the Pixel, the Google Pixel, you can see all that. Translation. AI can translate text, speech, and images between different languages. And this is true. We've seen it. Even with ChatGPT, you can use it. Even OpenAI's Whisper can translate from one particular language into English, which is really awesome. And this is being embraced. Where it might take a while is maybe when during translation there's a particular context that is being looked at, and ChatGPT might not do it the way it should be done by a professional translator. But hey, these things are catching up. We gotta be aware of that. The next job is content moderation, and for these, AI can flag inappropriate or offensive content on websites and social media platforms. And this has always been used in most and different particular websites, YouTube, Facebook, etc. So they just feed it with different things. If you make a post of something that probably is not what they'd like to see or what they'd like other people to see on the social media platform, it's going to be flagged. Maybe you cannot post it, or there's a limited number of people who can see it. That's number seven. Number eight, market research. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify market trends and consumer behavior. So that's something else that you can always do. And I believe personally, ChatGPT and any other AI application out there is actually doing a really good job to make life easier. And probably, as much as we're talking about market research, We've seen Bing integrate with ChatGPT, and a few people are up on the waiting list and others are already accessing it. It's actually changing the platform for search. So it's actually going to be a game changer and a disruptor to many business models. So you better buckle up. Next up, we have insurance claims processing, and AI can process insurance claims, validate documentation, and make decisions based on rules and algorithms. That's it. If you're in the insurance industry, watch out for that particular market change. It's coming. Tax preparation. AI can analyze financial records and calculate taxes owed, reducing errors and saving time. That's coming. So we better be ready. Next up, we've got driving and delivery. AI can operate vehicles safely and efficiently, reducing the need for human drivers. Now, we've seen this being tested out by Amazon. We've also seen the self-driving Teslas. These things are coming. It may not be the best at the moment, but we better be aware, because if AI replaces human jobs, there is a high chance of people being jobless, which is not what we're looking at, because if you don't make any money, there are a lot of things that come with that. We've got that, and then we've got manufacturing. AI can perform tasks such as assembly, quality control, and inventory management. If you watch some of those Tesla videos or even car manufacturer videos, you'll see that they always assemble their vehicles using machines. So the machine is programmed, AI, whatnot, and everything comes together. So there is minimal interference or interaction of humans with that particular car. Just some nitty-gritties, that's where the human is required. Surgical assistance. Seen this, and probably AI can assist surgeons in procedures, increasing accuracy and reducing the risk of human error. It's being tried out somewhere, but this might take a little bit of time before we get there, or maybe it's still there, but I think this is going to take a while before we get to things like surgical procedures, because these are a little bit sensitive in the nature. Next up, we've got risk management. AI can analyze financial data, identify potential risks, and make predictions. Yeah, we all want that. Everybody's talking about a recession. So how can we avert ourselves from that? I believe people will include AI models in different aspects to try and avert ourselves from different risks: climate change, financial risks, etc., all that, the housing crisis around the world. And these are things that are actually coming in. And if you're in the risk management sector, you better watch out. Or better yet, adapt and complement what you do with AI. Next up, we've got legal research, and this AI is coming for the lawyers here. AI can quickly search and analyze vast amounts of legal data, reducing the time required for human lawyers. So now this one looks more or less complementing, but obviously it means that some few people will be jobless while you need it there to go through vast amounts of data. So lawyers, your life will become easier, but some will actually lose their jobs because AI is doing everything for you. But proofreading and all that can also be done by lawyers, but the legal research field is under threat as well. We've also got financial trading, and I've already seen a couple of videos on YouTube of people creating bots or even analysis using ChatGPT, because ChatGPT can write code for you. And how can AI help us, or how can it do it better? AI can analyze market data and execute trades, making decisions based on market trends and algorithms. This is something that we've already started. Next up, we've got recruitment. AI can screen resumes, conduct initial interviews, and provide recommendations for further action. And this is already being used, where people hand in their resumes and AI sifts through this. And once it does that, then you either proceed to interact with a human, etc. So the recruitment industry, if you're in that, probably better adapt as well. We've got digital marketing, and obviously this is under threat. AI can analyze consumer behavior. This is being done everywhere. Target and personalize advertisements. This is being done everywhere like crazy, and you can measure the success of marketing campaigns. You can actually automate all this using AI. If you're in the digital marketing industry, you're under threat. That one is under threat. It's just like transcription right there. Supply chain management. And what can AI do better? It can optimize the flow of goods and services, reducing cost and increasing efficiency. So this is, you see this all over, and it's available. Everybody wants their goods automated, and this is actually probably going to get a couple of extra people jobless. Number 20 is IT management, and AI can manage and monitor IT systems, automate routine tasks, and provide proactive support. And I think I'll add another one, number 21, in this particular field, say that AI is coming for writing. Maybe writers may say no, but we've already seen it on the news where it's writing essays, research papers, etc. And we've already seen AIs like Jasper that can actually write very good articles for you as long as you provide the outline. So it simplifies your work, reduces the cost for hiring writers, etc. But what does it do? It renders writers jobless. And that's the fact. And those are the AI jobs that are going to be replaced. Those are the jobs that are going to be replaced by AI within no time. So you better be on the lookout, adjust to the market, and see what you can do. I hope this video is insightful on about things about the future of work and what you should expect so that you're not caught up in a catch-up situation. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.